This oil is the reason why my hair stopped shedding and start to grow faster. It's the same oil helped me to grow my daughter hair long and thicker. So I use 9 powerful herbs plus 4 nourishing oils blend into one grow formula. You can make it at home. So stay tuned with me and we start together. I have one. Okay guys, I'm using 1 tablespoon of clove. Clove is improving blood circulation and working up dormant hair follicles. So if you have thinning hair and you are using clove also, it's going to help you to get out of the thinning hair. Also after that, I'm using my rosemary. Rosemary also is stimulating hair grow and also strands roof, is strengthening your roof. So after rosemary, I'm adding my lavender. Lavender also is smoothing the scalp and reducing itchiness. If your hair is itching, you are using lavender into your routine, it's going to help you. So after lavender, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my flaxseed insert. Flaxseed is packed with vitamin omega-3 fatty acids, also reducing breaking. So after that, I added my fenugreek seed, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. I added my star seed also, and now I'm adding my hibiscus and fennel seed that also I'm adding into this blender. So this one also is my sesame seed that I'm adding into my bottle. All these powerful ingredients, I'm going to blend it together. So when you check about the fennel seed also is thickening hair and adding more volume to your hair, while star anise also is boosting shining to your hair. Hibiscus also is repairing, damaging and reducing shedding from your hair. So now after that, after blend it, I'm adding my oil. Fennel seed also is nourishing the scalp and also adding more minerals into your hair. Also sesame seed also strengthen weak ends and weak strands. So now I'm doing double boil method for 30 minutes. So for the 30 minutes after, I keep it in the dark corner for 1 week. So this is the 1 week of the oil. I bring it out to strain it here. So guys, you can check this video and you will see the full video over there. You can watch the full video, full tutorial. You can see all the details in this video and okay, check the long form video. If you watch the long form video, you will understand everything, how you can make it, because you know I'm a mother, so I always take my time to show you step by step so that my other mothers also will understand how they can do to maintain their children hair. So now I'm going to apply it to my dog. This oil is so amazing. It's work amazing for dry hair, damaging hair or slow growing. If your hair is growing slow, it's very good for you to be using it. But how to use it? Always you can use it as a hot oil treatment, and also you can use it as a massaging oil. But before you apply this oil, always make sure to damp your hair a little bit before you apply this oil into your scalp, and make sure you massage your scalp also. While you are massaging your scalp, if you have leave-in conditioner, you go ahead with your leave-in conditioner to seal the moisture into your hair. That is the purpose of using this oil. And also, as I said, hot oil treatment, you can use it in so many ways. This oil is so amazing. It helped me to stop my hair from shedding, and the same oil that's helping me my daughter hair also. Now there's a big changes from my daughter hair since last year 2024 to this year 2025. I see a big gap in my daughter hair. My daughter is saying bye bye to you people. Please, if you are interested with DIY, watch the full video under of this video, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, like.